Powerful strategies for success. Success demands more than mere aspirations. It requires powerful strategies that pave the way for riches. Join us as we unravel how the extraordinary becomes the norm, and aspirations transform into victories. Number 1. Intentional actions and proven methods. In the pursuit of success, intentional actions play a pivotal role. Purposefully directing your efforts toward specific goals involves setting clear ones, and then employing proven methods to achieve it. This might include creating a detailed plan, breaking down tasks into steps, and consistently working towards your desires. Proven methods are those strategies that have demonstrated effectiveness in achieving success. Whether it's time management techniques, goal-setting frameworks, or productivity hacks, intentionally incorporating these into your approach can significantly enhance your chances of success. By leveraging proven methods, people can streamline their efforts, increase efficiency, and navigate their journey towards success with a greater sense of purpose and effectiveness. 2. Skill enhancement. Skill enhancement is a cornerstone of success, as your ability to continually improve and adapt directly influences trajectory. Committing to lifelong learning and development is a dynamic process that encompasses acquiring new skills and refining existing ones. This commitment might manifest in various forms, such as staying updated with industry trends, attending workshops, or taking advantage of online courses. The pivotal aspect is identifying the skills pertinent to your goals and consistently working on honing them. By embracing a mindset of continuous skill enhancement, individuals position themselves to navigate the ever-changing landscape of their respective fields. This proactive approach not only allows for adapting to the evolving demands but also ensures a sustained competitive edge. In the pursuit of success, the journey is marked by an unwavering commitment to personal and professional growth, with skill enhancement serving as a fundamental driver of progress. 3. Personal development. This is central to the pursuit of success, an ongoing journey of self-improvement and growth. This involves cultivating a deep understanding of oneself, identifying strengths, areas for improvement, and actively working towards becoming the best version. Personal development encompasses various aspects, including emotional intelligence, resilience, and effective communication skills. Activities such as reading, attending seminars, and seeking mentorship are integral to this process, fostering a continuous evolution that is fundamental to achieving success. In the realm of personal development, the emphasis is on holistic growth, encompassing both professional and personal aspects. By dedicating time and effort to self-reflection and skill enhancement, individuals not only enhance their capabilities but also build a solid foundation for navigating the challenges inherent in the pursuit of success. The commitment to personal development is a strategic investment that pays dividends in the form of increased self-awareness, improved interpersonal skills, and a resilient mindset, all of which are vital components on the path to achieving one's goals. 4. Learning from experiences. Learning from experiences is essential for success. Whether they manifest as setbacks or challenges, each experience offers valuable insights that contribute to personal and professional growth. Adopting a mindset that views challenges as opportunities for learning allows individuals to extract meaningful lessons from various situations. Reflecting on past experiences, understanding both successes and areas for improvement, enables a more informed and strategic approach moving forward. This process of learning from experiences serves as a powerful tool for honing decision-making skills and building resilience. It empowers those to navigate future endeavors with a heightened sense of wisdom and adaptability. By embracing the lessons embedded in their journey, people equip themselves with the knowledge and insights necessary to overcome obstacles, make informed choices, and ultimately pave the way for future success. 5. Watch, learn, apply for success. A key strategy in the pursuit of success involves this three-step process. By keenly observing successful individuals within your field, you gain valuable insights into effective strategies and best practices. Learning from their experiences and adapting those lessons to your unique context enhances your own capabilities. However, the pivotal step in this strategic approach lies in the application of these insights to your own endeavors. Success is not merely about accumulating knowledge, but also about implementing that knowledge in a purposeful and strategic manner. The iterative process of observation, learning and application forms a dynamic cycle essential for achieving and sustaining success. It demands an active engagement with the insights gained, transforming them into actionable steps that align with your goals. This cyclical approach ensures a continuous evolution, where each application becomes a learning opportunity, and each new observation refines your understanding of what it takes of success. Attention savvy investors and finance enthusiasts. Unlock financial freedom and master wealth creation at braylnavy.com. Subscribe now for a prosperous journey. 6. Change mindset. Transitioning from a fixed to a growth-oriented mindset is paramount, unlocking the door to new possibilities and opportunities. Embracing challenges as invaluable avenues for learning and failures as stepping stones to success are central tenets of this transformative mindset. This shift not only reframes setbacks as opportunities, but also lays the foundation for essential qualities such as resilience and adaptability. In cultivating a growth-oriented mindset, individuals foster a dynamic perspective that views setbacks, not as roadblocks but as essential components of the learning curve. This adaptive approach enables them to glean lessons from various experiences, empowering them to evolve continuously. By embracing a mindset that thrives on challenges, individuals position themselves to navigate uncertainties with confidence and continually learn from their endeavors. 7. External and internal challenges. The journey to success is frequently marked by the navigation of both external and internal challenges. Internal challenges manifest in the form of self-doubt, fear of failure, or personal limitations. Successfully overcoming these challenges requires a proactive and strategic approach. Recognizing and addressing these hurdles head-on is crucial to fostering personal and professional growth. Understanding the interconnectedness of external and internal dynamics is pivotal in developing effective strategies for overcoming obstacles. External factors can significantly influence an individual's internal mindset, and conversely, internal resilience can shape the ability to navigate external challenges. By acknowledging this symbiotic relationship, people can formulate strategies that not only address immediate challenges, but also cultivate a resilient stance in the face of adversity. This integrated approach enhances the capacity to adapt to changing circumstances, ultimately contributing to a more robust and sustainable path to success. 8. Overcome doubt. Doubt can emerge as a formidable barrier along the path to success, often casting shadows on one's journey. Overcoming doubt is a nuanced process that necessitates the cultivation of self-confidence and a steadfast belief in one's abilities. A crucial first step involves acknowledging self-doubt as a normal and inherent aspect of success. Once recognized, individuals can actively work towards challenging and overcoming doubt by adopting strategic approaches. Focusing on past achievements serves as a powerful tool in combating doubt. By reflecting on prior successes, individuals reinforce their capabilities and build a reservoir of confidence. Seeking support when needed, whether through mentorship, collaboration, or constructive feedback, provides an external perspective that can counter internal doubts. Additionally, setting realistic goals creates a roadmap for success that is attainable and helps to instill a sense of achievement. In this way, the intentional cultivation of self-confidence and strategic mindset becomes a key driver in surmounting doubt on the journey to success. 9. Focus on happiness. In the relentless pursuit of success, it is paramount to prioritize happiness as an integral component of a fulfilling life. True success transcends professional achievements, necessitating a holistic approach that encompasses personal well-being. Cultivating happiness involves a deliberate commitment to nurturing one's mental, emotional, and physical health. This holistic well-being extends beyond the professional realm and encompasses maintaining a healthy work-life balance, fostering meaningful relationships, and finding joy in the journey itself. By intentionally focusing on happiness, individuals lay the groundwork for a positive and sustainable foundation for their pursuit of success. Recognizing that success is not solely defined by external accomplishments, but also by a sense of fulfillment and contentment, they can navigate challenges with a resilient spirit. Embracing happiness as a core value enhances this resilience, fosters creativity and fuels the passion needed to overcome obstacles on the path to success. In prioritizing happiness, people not only elevate their overall quality of life, but also fortify themselves with a robust mindset that positively influences their professional endeavors. 10. Gain knowledge from life-changing books. Books wield a transformative power, capable of reshaping perspectives and imparting invaluable knowledge. Successful individuals frequently harness the potential of literature as a strategic tool for personal and professional development. By purposefully selecting books that align with their specific goals, they open the door to a wealth of collective wisdom offered by experienced authors. This intentional engagement with literature allows readers to gain insights that transcend theoretical knowledge, providing practical applications that can significantly impact decision-making. The strategy of gaining insights from life-changing books is not merely about accumulating information, but centers on the active application of lessons learned to real-life situations. The knowledge acquired becomes a dynamic resource, offering a fresh lens through which individuals can approach challenges and opportunities. As readers internalize and apply the wisdom gleaned from impactful books, they enhance their cognitive abilities, refine their problem-solving skills, and navigate the complexities of their professional and personal lives. In this way, the profound influence of books extends beyond the realm of information to become a catalyst for tangible success in various facets of life. Success demands more than mere aspirations. It's a culmination of intentional actions and proven methods. Throughout this, we've delved into tips accessible to everyone, avoiding complexity in favor of straightforward approaches. Whether it's setting achievable goals or adopting innovative strategies, this underscores that success involves providing you with the tools to transform aspirations into victories. It's crucial to recognize that success is a journey, not a one-time event. The key lies in consistently applying these strategies and adapting them to your unique path. As you navigate the nuanced artistry of it, each small victory accumulates, and you're not just reaching milestones, you're orchestrating achievements. Whether you're embarking on a new venture, pursuing personal goals, or striving for professional milestones, success hinges on embracing these powerful strategies consistently. Keep in mind that the insights shared here are designed to empower you on your ongoing journey. By transforming your aspirations into reality through consistent application of these strategies, may success become a steadfast companion on your path, guiding you towards continuous growth and accomplishment.